Hey everybody, what's going on? We got the radio blasting on the porch here. And we got Cody and Joey out driving the machines around. Cody's driving the bike. Joey's got a Hyperion cart. It's a beautiful day here in Missoula, Montana. Entertaining the kids and trying to get them away from the computers and stuff, you know. Came out here and started pulling out all these weeds. Yeah. We got plans for the our garden this year. We already have some stuff in the house that's already seeded, sitting in the sun, being all beautiful and pretty. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, baby. Listen to it purr. Yeah, a few weeks ago when we started going on lockdown, me and Crystal went out and got a bunch of gas because we thought that the gas prices would skyrocket. But obviously that didn't happen. So we got regular car fuel right there, just a little bit, about 5 gallons, and then we used a lot of the smaller tanks here for the go-karts and stuff and the lawnmower. We wanted to make sure that we had the 91 for the lawnmower. And these are those little kerosene canisters that you can buy at Walmart, you know, get kerosene in. And since they're already chemically apt to handle holding the kerosene, I thought, yeah, I'm just gonna hang on to these and use them as fuel tanks. See, 91 gas. I wonder what happened there. Oh, there's probably some in the yard. Oh, he's taking off. Boom, 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 boom. And we have the old 1957 radio in here. And this is on the same frequency as the one that's out on the porch. And yeah, look at that. Ooh, wow, it still has the needle in it. But yeah, that's it's got a tag in the back for 1957. So yeah, that's an old one. We had this all nice and neat the other day, but the wind came through here and just kind of ripped it down. And what this is a place where we can reseed and replant our flowers and stuff, you know. Yeah, so that's how we're spending our Wednesday afternoon, ripping up our lawn. Well, it looks like Schwann's is out there on deliveries. What are you doing, monkey? Huh, monkey? Kitty? What are you doing? This is Monkey, and we call her Monkey because look at her toes. Hey! Come on, lay down, lay down. Show people your pretties. See, look at those toes. Oh, look at her foot. Look at her back foot. Look at that. Look at all those little toes. Oh, kitty. Look at all those little toes. Yeah, sweetie. Well, guys, I thought I'd show you guys what we're doing today, and the weather's doing well. And well, I'd like to thank all of you who showed up to the live stream last night and helped us out do some research. That was awesome, guys. Thanks. Probably doing another live stream here in the next few days or so. Unfortunately, you guys, I don't, since I lost my case, I have no idea when I'll start getting back into building, because there's no money there, so I don't know. But anyways, guys, see you guys in the next one. Alrighty, bye-bye.